reading, writing, and arithmetic, it's almost time to return to school. Now, there are expenses in returning to school, but big savings on bedding, apparel, and household items will go a long way to making Mom and Dad get a good night's sleep. Now is a great time to save big at WestPoint Home Bed & Bath Factory Outlet in Downtown Chipley, Florida. Come celebrate our back-to-school sale with up to 75% off clearance items and 25% off everything in the store. Get name brand designs at a fraction of the cost at the big box stores. From sheets and pillows to comforters and blankets, apparel and accessories for your home or dorm room. Save big and enjoy our low prices at WestPoint Home Bed & Bath Factory Outlet. Now open 7 days a week on Main Street in downtown Chipley, Florida, just a mile north of I-10 at exit 120. And be ready when that school bell rings with WestPoint Home Bed & Bath Factory Outlet.